Hello everyone. Now let's learn the phonic sound of letter B. B says B. B says B. Come on, let's hear a story associated to this sound. Granny is looking after Bill and his baby brother Ben. They go to the park. Granny stops to watch the boats on the lake and listen to the band playing. She finds a bench to sit down, and soon she and baby Ben are dozing off in the sun. Bill sees his friend Rob, who has a bat and a ball set. They find some more of their friends and have a game of baseball. Bill throws the ball for Ben, and as the bat hits the ball, it goes B. Then it is Betty's turn. She bashes the ball as hard as she can. It just misses Granny, bounces and hits the bench. Granny and baby Ben wake up. I think I had kept a safe distance from the baseball, says Granny as she pushes baby Ben along the path at the side of the boating lake. So what sound does the letter B make when the bat hits the ball? It makes the sound P. So can we sing a song? Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. So B says B. B says B.